Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. Right, so Luna Classic finally since 2 days ago has lost the EMA. So if you look at the EMAs previously, Luna Classic was holding the EMAs quite nicely as well. So if I do remove all the drawings at the moment, you can see that you started pumping up, you came down, you literally took off, and then from here you flash all the way to the downside in a manner that you ended up breaking this little bit of an EMA right over there. So you can see that this literally closed below the 55. You had a nice green candle pump, you try to retest the EMAs, but the EMA say, hey, you know what, no entry, you're not going to actually cross me one more time the way you did before, and this is a bad sign, right? It's short reading, it's right in front of you. So what happens when you have this opposite of a bull cross? Now that you're going to have a bear cross, we may be looking at a push down, and I think it's just going to come down here. A lot of stop losses are going to be placed right on this wick. So yeah, you're looking for taking the stop loss, and probably 6,000 is the place where you have the next support area, and that's kind of bad because you're coming from 27,000 all the way down to 6,000. So yeah, it's just a part of crypto, man. Things like this happen, it's normal. And I want to go back into the 4-hour time frame as well here, and let's actually see if there's any pattern that shows where Luna Classic is really meant to go. All I can say is I do see a resistance though, that you do have this resistance right over there, and you are going to have a nice good hard time to break above it. So if you start to break above this resistance, that's the early good sign that we're going to see, and it may happen as well. And let's look if you are making a channel. So let's look at this right over here. So next target is probably down to this channel, and I'm going to tell you where we're going to go. So you're looking for probably touchdown here, but I highly doubt if this is a channel. I do expect things to if they have to really fall and have a big discount, and probably I do see it happening, that you may be looking at this target here, 6,891. That's the probable area that you're going to have that little bit of support. Here's the reason. You had a pattern down there. So if you zoom in here, this is where you're breaking up before, isn't it? So I'm just going to drop in a yellow line as well right over there. Okay, so 6,800. This is the next big support that you have, probably the next best buying place again for Luna Classic. I mean, sometimes it is painful when you see things falling down. On the other side, it's happiness that you're getting a discount. Imagine of people who want to enter in cheap rates. We need discounts. I mean, yeah, some people are bullish, they're not gonna like it. Some people who are waiting for a nice good entry, probably someone who wants to trade something, they need discount. Flash discounts are always going to be amazing. Let it happen. October, November, December has been good. I don't think it's an issue now that January is going to be bad. Look, this started from October all the way up to January, man, you know. So yeah, this is pretty normal. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.